Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change search engine on Chrome. The first thing you do is from your Chrome browser here, you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, click on it, and then you click on the settings. You can see settings here. After clicking on settings, over here under the settings options, you click on search engine, which is this particular one over here. So after clicking on search engine, you can see the search engine you choose will be used for features like searching from the address bar and from images on web pages. So you can learn more by tapping on this. Right now my search engine is Google, so I can change by clicking on change and change. I have other options like Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Yandex. I can set the one I want as default. So that's it. This is how you can simply change search engine on Google Chrome. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.